Here's a question from our avid subscriber, Vika Singh. Succulents for beginners. Oh yeah, I have a question about how to care your succulent and cacti in monsoon season. During monsoon season, it's very important to have a clear roof so that your cactus and succulents will not get soaked in wet. So that's my first tip. You need to keep them dry. The second one is, if you can't avoid them getting wet, like right now it's the rain is so heavy, the soil mix is the key. You need to have at 70% inorganic uh, material. So if you have 70% pumice and 30% soil, and your succulents or cacti will get wet, they will easily recover because the water will just drain so fast. If you have a rich soil mixture, then that's a really big problem. I have tried that before when I was beginning to take care of cactus and succulents. I have a very rich soil potting mix, and most of my cactus and succulents rot. But now our cactus and succulents are located here in our facade of our house. So even if the rains comes in, if you can see, the rain can come in here, but there's no rot in our succulents because we're using the right mixture of soil. Number 3 is make sure that your succulents is located in a spot where they can receive uh, direct sunlight, so when the sun shows up, they'll be able to recover all the water in the pot will drain, and they'll be able to receive plenty of sun once the monsoon is over for a couple of days. As a review, you need to have a clear roof or find a way that you can cover your space so that it won't get wet. If you can't do that, solution number 2 is you need to have a very not rich soil mix, so it should be more inorganic material, like 70% pumice and 30% soil mix. And the third one is you need to have them located in a place that gets direct sunlight, so when the monsoon is over, they'll be able to get direct sunlight and be able to have a fast recovery from the effects of the monsoon.